Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive Ford Everest automatic. Start with the brake pressed and move the shifter to D while checking mirrors and surroundings. Adjust seat and steering for comfort and full pedal control, and set drivetrain mode to Eco for daily driving. Use S or manual mode sparingly for overtakes or tight control, and always engage hill descent or parking brake when stopping on slopes in traffic. Practice smooth starts by releasing the brake gently and easing the accelerator to avoid jerks and excessive wheel spin. When parking, engage P and apply the parking brake and turn wheels appropriately on slopes. For city driving, anticipate stops and lift off early to regenerate smoother shifts. For highway use, adaptive cruise and keep a safe following distance for comfortable automatic transmission life. Also use engine braking on long descents to reduce wear. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy on long drives and long walks. Check the description for the link and other deals and consider trying one pair for your next road trip. Now let's get back to the video. Regular fluid checks keep the automatic transmission healthy, so check fluid level and color per manual and service as needed. Replace air filter regularly to maintain engine response and reduce strain on the gearbox. Learn to recognize warning signs like slipping, delayed engagement, or unusual noises, and get professional diagnostics promptly to prevent costly repairs and preserve resale value. Also update software and recall fixes at the dealer, and keep tire pressures optimal for drivetrain balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.